Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where OneDrive is missing from File Explorer in Windows, then please watch this video. So yes, we have OneDrive in the File Explorer here. At times it is missing, and you know what? Most of the times it is caused due to updates. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to Windows Updates and click on Check for Updates if it fixes it. If not, then this is something that Windows wanted to do for that while, especially if you're on the developer's build. But yes, here's one more thing. You can always access OneDrive from the icon in the system tray, and then you can click on Help and Settings, and then you can click on Settings, and then you can click on Go to Sync and Backup, and then you can simply make sure that this option is selected here. Okay, it will keep on syncing. So this is one part, and then click on Account, make sure that the account is already added. That's it. I mean, this is there's nothing more that you can do about it. Yeah, you can check if syncing is paused, so make sure that there is no pause syncing here. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.